Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the LOVESNOOPY token. Now the LOVESNOOPY token is being listed tomorrow morning on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt, and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, LOVESNOOPY is the name of the token and the ticker symbol. This token is being listed May 16th, 10 o'clock UTC time on a central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search LOVESNOOPY, all one word, and then simply just buy the token. Now, until it gets listed here, right now they're having a Kickstarter, Vote with MX tokens, which is MEXC Global's token, to win airdrops. So voting period goes between May 15th, 6 o'clock UTC time, to May 16th, 5:50 UTC time. So that'll be live when I upload this video. So if you're a subscriber, you'll see that in time. And you can go check out this Kickstarter event. Now, they have, if you want to see the information, by the way, on the Kickstarter event, just go to @MEXC_global on Twitter. And it says the reward pool is 535 billion LOVESNOOPY tokens. You'll also find the details page in that announcement where it has all the links for LOVESNOOPY. Now, I'll just tell you the links as well. And as always, I'm going to have the Twitter for LOVESNOOPY up in the corner here so you guys can see what their socials are and go check out all the links. Now, their official webpage is snoopy.land. Now, this is on the Ethereum blockchain, this token, and they have a Twitter at iLOVESNOOPY 1949, and they have a Telegram, LOVESNOOPY_official. So right now they have 2,042 holders, according to their Etherscan. 18 decimal places on this token, and a total supply here of 1.98 quadrillion tokens. That is a max total supply as well. So LOVESNOOPY is an Ethereum-based deflationary meme coin that pays homage to the iconic Snoopy internet meme, and this is definitely meme season. MEXC Global is also listing the BART coin, and I just uploaded a video on the BART coin, so check that video out as well. Lots of memes these days, starting with Pepe just killing it, and then we got, Wojak, Bobo, you name it. There's too many to even name. Homer token, the Homer Simpson token is killing it as well. Check out my video on Homer Simpson. And maybe the BART coin will do very well as well. So anyways, let's go over to their webpage here, snoopy.land. You can see tokenomics, roadmap, all sorts of information on here. It says, we all love Snoopy, lots, the most fantastic meme coin in the world. Now, it has their MEXC Global listing on their webpage there. It says, tired of endless memes? No, never, never. Whoever controls the memes controls the world. And if you know who said that, leave it in the comment section down below. Take a break and try LOVESNOOPY token, which guarantees to make you smile every day. The rise of the meme-evolution. Meme evolution? Anyways, the main utility of LOVESNOOPY is to establish a vibrant and impassioned meme community that can embrace it with all of our hearts. Our ambition is to conquer the world of memes with the mighty memetic power of Love Snoopy and spread joy and love to make this world a better place for all to share. Our path to global domination is simple. Just enjoy and love Snoopy. The more people that enjoy and love Snoopy, the more indelible his legacy and his beloved meme will become. In a world that loves Snoopy has captured, joy and contentment will abound for all. Then it goes over how to buy Snoopy if you want to get it off Uniswap. Now, it is listed on a couple other like tier 2, tier 3 central exchanges here. So MEXC Global is the big listing now. Like they've, if you're looking for a tier 1 central exchange, MEXC Global has like 6 million users. But then they have like tier 2 exchanges like BITRUE and Bitmart as well. So that's another place to get this token, as well as Uniswap. Now, if you want to go through all the steps to get it off Uniswap, you don't know how to do that, they are on their page. If you're a newbie, MEXC Global is a little bit easier. I really hate Uniswap. If I could get tokens off like MEXC Global or like some other exchange that's a good exchange, I'd rather do that than Uniswap. And I'll tell you why, folks. I've multiple times, even DEX Tools, I've tried to get tokens off of DEX Tools and Uniswap, and the gas fees are like, it could be $30, right? And you click, transact or purchase or whatever the button says, I forget. And then it looks like it's going through, and then all of a sudden it says failed transaction for just no reason whatsoever. You did everything perfect, everything that, whatever. Failed transaction, and then they just take your $30. And then you're like, well, do I risk another $30? Is it just going to keep failing? It's just going to keep sucking all my money dry with these failed transactions? That is the nature of Uniswap and DEX Tools, and it irks me a lot. So that's why I like things like MEXC Global. But anyways, token supply here, we already went over that. 70% of the tokens go to the DEX liquidity. 20% go to central exchange listings, and 10% goes to circulating supply to power the project. So, so simple, just enjoy, it says. That's some easy tokenomics there. All wallets can be easily tracked under the ENS name. So they have wallets for all of their listings here, like the main wallet, the DEX listings wallet, the central exchange listings wallet, circulating supply, and burn wallet. They have links for all those. So 50% of all transaction fees will be burned, and 50% will be put into liquidity pools. And yeah, the token incinerator volume gauge is what they have on their page here, and they show you how much tokens get burned. You're going to have periodic burns. Then they have a roadmap on here, starting with launch the website, social channels, then Uniswap, 1,000 holders, startup burning, groundbreaking, and then listed on central exchange. So that's what they've done so far. CoinGecko CoinMarketCap is next. So they're getting a MEXC global listing before they're even on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So that's really cool. Then Certic Audit will be next. And then get LOVESNOOPY trending on SNS. And that is about it, folks. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about the LOVESNOOPY token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box, especially that MEXC Global one. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.